Okay, for your Vlogmas intro, you surprise me with a Tesla.
3, open your eyes.
What?
I got you a Tesla. I'm not buying you a car.
But that's great content.
No. Morning, everyone. Actually, I'm not gonna lie to you guys. Good afternoon, because it is not the morning. So much has been happening today. I feel like I've been on my phone. I've been trying to I got my vlog up, and then I had to do like other random things, and then emails, and then some calls, and now here I am starting the vlog, and it is 4 p.m. I'm so sorry. I hate it. Like, I don't know. I fucking hate it, but it's okay. Good news is we're vlogging. The vlog is up. Everything's good. Everything is good. We're just throwing on some makeup. Why are we throwing on makeup? To be honest, I don't know, because I have no plans today. I do have a few more intros that I need to film, which obviously I'd prefer to have some makeup on for that. So it's not for nothing, but does not feel like it's worth wasting some lashes. You know, just add mascara instead. Boom. Also, we got a very, very exciting furniture delivery this morning. So you best believe I'm going to show you. We finally got the fire pit that I ordered 3 months ago. I'm so excited. Maybe we'll, hopefully if it doesn't freaking rain. I don't know. It's been cold in Los Angeles, let me tell you. If it doesn't rain, then maybe we can do a fire tonight. But I have a feeling it's gonna rain. Everyone always asks what mascara is my favorite. I still love the Tarte Lights Camera Lashes. This is the mini one that came with the Pretty Basic palette, but the full size is somewhere. The full size looks like this. I don't know what it is about it. I love it. I think, at least with my lashes, it's good for top and bottom, and then it doesn't smear throughout the day, which is like my biggest fucking thing. I hate when mascara smears all over your face. And makeup is done. She's glowy, she's simple. Oh my God, okay. I feel like I should like pull a few of these pieces out. What did TikTok call these? Like thought strands or thought, I forget. But I literally felt attacked when I read that because I feel like when I was reading that, I had my hair with like pieces out in the front and I was like, oh, if you know what I'm talking about, you know what I'm talking about. If you don't worry about it. Don't worry about it. I need to get the freaking clothing rack. I said I was gonna put it together and I never did. Oops, I know, so sorry, my bad. This looks so bad. Guys, just don't judge me today, or ever, but today specifically. Welcome to Vlogmas 16th, 17th? Okay. Here she is. I'm very aware it's covered. I wanna see if Ash and I can try to move it to the backyard. Let's pray it's not too heavy. Hello, my ween. Happy Vlogmas. Chloe may get over here. Ash, I think we can move it. I'm scared. I am too, but I think we can attempt. We might just have to like disassemble it and then reassemble it. I believe in us, you know? Like we work out. We can do it.
I don't know how this is gonna go.
We got it. If you think you're beaten, you are. I'm nervous too. Don't tell her.
Okay, I thought we were...
Ta-da! Wait. Dun, da, da, da. It looks so good. Cool, how do we do this? So how do we lift it?
That's... My fingers down here, lift with my legs.
Lift with the legs, not your back.
Put the camera down and let's try.
No. Oh shit. I didn't even move an inch. Like it actually didn't even move an inch. I told you to do the side gate.
This was your thing.
I told you, I said open the side gate.
You weren't even down here to help. You were up, you should have come down here.
You woke me up.
I didn't know they were coming. You did.
I said open the side gate.
This was all you. I swear, people always come at freaking 8:30 in the morning with furniture.
It was 9:30
and I have no idea. I have no idea.
What
and
do
then
we
you
do?
get mad at me for not telling them to put it in the backyard.
To be continued. The girlies are fighting. Well, that sucks. Rosie, will you help me move it? Raindrop. Drop tops. Smoking a hit in a hot box.
3, 2, 1, 2, 3, recording, 2, 2, 3, recording, 3, 2,
Charity can leave that in.
1. Click.
Sexy new patio furniture.
Oh my
That's the title. Sexy new this is
Lay
sexy.
on top of it. There it is. What are you doing with your top leg?
Rosie! She wants to be in it. You can be, don't be careful.
Okay, 3, 2.
Okay. I've put this off for a few days, but we are gonna build the clothing rack. It seems easy. We're handy, you know? Say it with me, everyone. We don't need no man. Unless we're trying to move the fire pit downstairs, because we definitely, in fact, need a man for that. Okay. Is it that? Okay. We're fine. Fuck. Step 1 done. This stay up. These two go here. And then those go on top. Okay. 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 I think we did it. Oh, this is gonna be so nice. We just need to add the wheels. Fuck. Oh my god. Da 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 da. Screw wheels on. Okay, we can do that. They just go on. Oh shit, oh shit, oh shit. Okay. Does this feel the sturdiest? Not really. Ladies and gentlemen, Alicia's new clothing rack. This is crooked. Okay, so maybe I also can't put a shit ton of clothes on this. But also, I'm not gonna lie, we really needed this for parallel because we've had so many photo shoots and having a rack like this is honestly game changing. So I'm very glad I got this, but I'm just gonna borrow it. Now that we have this, now I have no excuse to not hang up the rest of these clothes. There's a lot. Okay, let's get to getting. Okay. Guys, look how cute this green dress is. Hot. Oh, I forgot to oh, wait. Okay, redo. So this is the dress, right? This is a belt that goes with it to make it like a corset. Hot. I knew it had something else with it. This is like a really cute, it's gonna be hard to tell because it's black, but it's a 3-piece set with like this little tennis skirt. And then it also comes with a blouse, so you can kind of pair them anyway. And I feel like that's so cute. Okay, I need to find more hangers, but look at me color coding it and everything. I'm pretty sure I got this rack off of Amazon. If I remember, because I clearly always forget, I will have it linked down below. This seriously helps so much. I still need to get this fixed. I'm scared it's just gonna like pull out the wall, so I should probably take more stuff off of it, honestly. As you can see, I've gotten a lot more green in my wardrobe, which we love. I honestly don't really know where to put this for now, so I think we're just gonna put it here. I feel like honestly I could move this bench out and put it here, but honestly maybe I'll put this in my bedroom once. Yeah, maybe we'll do that. Guys, I'm literally the worst vlogger ever because there was a button on my camera and I hit it and it turns off my mic when that happens. And long story short, I apologize again for doing that. I'm going to change my settings today, but point being, the rest of the clips don't have any audio. So here's another voiceover. I know you guys loved the last one. So Ashley and I are playing Mario Party and things were getting pretty heated between us. As you can tell, I was having fun. She was not. but I can't see the screen because I clearly don't have my glasses or contacts in, but that's fine. Yes. I just listened back to the last voiceover clip I did just now, and Ashley sneezed, but it sounded like a drum. Anyways, as you can tell, the winner of the game, let's place our bets. Was it me? Was it Ashley? Clearly it wasn't the two computers because they are already out, as you can see. Oh wait, Ashley, no, she was third. She was third. Me or the computer. I won, bitches! I'm the superstar. Oh my god. No free feet promo, Ash. Okay, bye. Love you all. Oh, and then this is me doing my skincare routine. This is me ending the vlog. Okay, love you all. Bye.